Okay, so our cameraman has no responsibility for his life. He stands on the road. Today we're in Monkey Auto Spa here with Edgar, which is a crazy guy that built all this beautiful place around us. You can see all the bikes, you can see all the scenery, the decoration is just crazy. Look at the ceiling, look at everything, look how nice the place is. Edgar, tell us a little bit.
We've been here for about like 9 months so far. We moved to LA trying to show people what we can do.
LA needs a place like that, but you really went all out here, bro.
Like they say, you know, it's like all in or you better not go in, you know.
What services you offer?
We basically do everything for cars, from, you know, detail cars to PPF, tint windows, wraps, ceramic coating, power coating, and any of our service comes with a lifetime warranty.
It's gonna hold for lifetime?
Oh yeah, I mean, as long as we stay open, we're gonna be responsible for anything that we do. Tint windows or even a car wash, we always ask people like, this is the way that you like it, and they say yes, you know, we're happy. If they say no, we're happy to. Nah, I'm kidding. No, we will, you know, get hands there and then, you know, make it sure that is the way that they like it.
Now, I want to show you a few products that I have that you've never seen before, and I want to get your honest reaction. This little guy, this is for all the plastic, all the rubber parts, everything that is faded from the sun. One of the workers hit with polishing by accident, left compound on the plastic. Removes all the fadings. It helps you also remove sticker glue, by the way, from dashboard, from places that you don't want to touch with thinner. I use it, of course, on the interior, exterior, kind of to make all the car looks nice. Or even on cabrio roofs, it goes pretty well. So you have here one car that I really want to show on it. This Porsche. You can see that the plastic here is really faded. Before we just put the product on the car, the product is 100% natural, no silicones, no solvents. The stuff is based on honey. You can basically eat it, so it will never damage the car. You just take a little bit, and then you just apply it. Try to soak the plastic with it. Let it really go inside, because the idea is to really restore the plastic, the rubber parts. Let it soak in. And then we can bring back the softness, the elasticity of the plastics. Is we just wipe it down and now touch it.
Wow. It looks like new. It feels like new, not only looks like new. Definitely.
Did you ever see a product like that?
No, I mean, it's really like, it feels like new. It just not only looks like new, it's definitely, you know, a product that matches the expectation of what customer wanna get for, you know, a shop that looks like that, you know.
You don't feel the oily, huh?
No. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't even
see the
leave
craziest
nothing.
part?
There's more
Take some
crazy.
masking tape and you can apply it on it and it's gonna hold.
Really?
If you have some
Okay.
masking tape,
I think I guess, and let me see.
I want you to hit it with the pressure washer also to show that it actually stays. Now I want you to apply some masking tape to see that it actually sticks.
It's real. It's real. Sticking on my hand.
I'm gonna try to remove.
Let's see.
Does it stick?
Damn. That's wild. Very, very different.
And can you please hit it with the pressure washer just to show that it stays even after you wash?
Let's do that.
Okay, so I want you to take the pressure washer and just hit that spot that we just did, because most of products, of course, not gonna stay, right?
Okay, let's give it a try. Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's there, and then you see the difference where it's applying, where it's not. Damn, that's impressive. It looks like ceramic, you know. That's pretty cool.
But what do you think about the product?
No, I mean, it does the job, you know, like definitely it doesn't wash off, it doesn't stick to anything. So once you apply it, it's there, gives you that moisturize and then the color. That's what, you know, everyone look when you have a car that comes with a rubber and then after like a year or two, it looks like grayish. And this one, it looks like new again. So, you know, yeah, that's crazy. I like it. I can play with it. It doesn't matter what people tell you or, you know, what your parents or your best friend tell you that you're not gonna do it. I think you just gotta stay solid to your dreams and, you know, like just go through it. Like, it's not that hard. It's so easy actually, you just gotta go hard.
But we're in front of Edgar's shop, the Monkey Auto Spa in downtown LA. And Edgar, I want you to tell us the story.
Susie, my partner, she find that location over here and then we decide to give it a try, you know. A 50-50 that it was gonna work or not, but since we opened, you know, we've been working so hard to make Monkey's Auto Spa the way that it is right now. But you know, it's been a a long way, but you know what I'm saying, like we always try to do our best on everything that we do, and then always offer people like what they deserve for their money, you know, like quality, warranty, and you know, matches their expectations, because you know they have a nice car, so they want to have a nice shop, make Monkeys Auto Spa to become something that people like and feel like, you know, trustful, like, oh, I'm gonna drive my Prius, or I'm gonna drive you my, you know, Ferrari, I'm gonna treat it in the same way because I know it matters something to you. Yeah.
Wow.
We all like cars when we were little, you know. I come from Mexico, and then I come from nothing, and then I used to see a lot of TV shows back then on TV, and I was like, man, it will be cool if one day I can do something like that, you know, like a dream, you know. And then finally we have the opportunity to make that dream come true, and then we're here. But you know, everything started with a dream. Yeah.
Wow. Wow, incredible. And tell me, a lot of also crazy cars. For example, you build that crazy
The
police
GTR,
car,
the Booty Patrol.
and you had a lot.
We have another, so we have the GTR, the Booty Patrol, that we make it on the other shop, and then we have Susie's GTR that is a really nice blue, also, you know, built like, you know, playing with some 800 horsepower. We also have the GLE, we have a IS 300. We love toys, and then plus we always are out with our friends. They have like, you know, CL1s, they have like GLEs, they have RAs, they have a bunch of cars. It's pretty much just like, I guess, like crazy people with, you know, with toys. Like you get older, but you still love, you know, cars, but they become real. So it's cool, you know, like being around cars, being around like car community, and then get the best out of it, you know, because many people forgot what cars is about. Cars is about to put people together, not to, you know, make like competition, and that's what we want to do over here, like remind everyone what is like cars about.
And tell me, was there some special car in your life that actually made you kind of, you know, change all your perception, get you into that car, like, you know, the one with the Venom?
When I was on Chicago, I used to be a dishwasher, yeah, back on the day, and my boss was one of the first guys that got the GTR on 2009. That I was like, hey bro, let me wash your car, and that's what I used to do most like every other day or every 3 days on my break time, watch his GTR. And you know, I was like, one day I'm gonna buy me one, and then, you know, I put the hard work, I dedicate so much time, you know, and I worked so hard, and I was finally able to buy me one day, and you know, here we are. Everything is possible, you know. Yeah. But definitely it was the GTR that made me get into this. GTR.
Wow, incredible. And you also have a little backstory with the GTR. If I remember, it was with your daughter. You were fixing the car with your daughter in the beginning, no?
Yeah, no, my daughter, Mia, she's always been around the car, and then that's crazy because the first few words that she learned how to say it was a GTR. And that's crazy because I was like, wow, like, she can really recognize a GTR. Like, we built the car together. Like, you know, I used to put her on the seat while I was doing things on the inside, or I was put her on the scroller while I was doing things under the car, or throw her on the blanket while I was under the car. So yeah, you know, I just wanna teach her that there is a way to do things without, you know, be so into like the social media like everybody are these days. I think people forgot how to be people these days because they focus so much on like what they want to show to people, and they don't show themselves. So I want to show my daughter that it's more important to show yourself than show to anybody else. I think that's the main idea between me and her. There is that little connection, you know, that she's a car girl, and you know, she gotta do things by her own, you know.
Wow, it's amazing.
Ready to ride.